Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to delete the post on Substack. Now if you want to delete the post which you have done on Substack but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now deleting a post on Substack is a very easy step. You just need to make sure to watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is you need to install the Substack app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you need to simply open the Substack app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the homepage of Substack, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar, and you'll also see various news, posts and articles where people have posted on their feed. Now to delete the post which you have done, you need to simply click on the profile icon at the very top right, and here you'll see the option of find friends or view profile. So click on the option of view profile, and under your profile you'll see the option of activity, post, likes, reads and all of it. So if you click on the option of post, you'll see the number of posts which you have done. So I'll simply go on the activity page, and I'll also see the post which I have done right now. So you will see the option of 3 dots next to my name. So click on the option of 3 dots, and here you will see the option of copy links, share with, copy text and all of it. You may also edit the post if you want, but if you click on the option of delete, which is highlighted on red, it will be deleted. So that's how easy it is to delete a post from Substack. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.